Most people think sourdough requires special ingredients or luck. Wrong. You only need two things: flour and water. In 5 days, you'll have a living starter that bakes bread forever. Step 1. Mix equal parts flour and water. Use 50 grams of each. Whole wheat flour works best because it ferments faster. Stir until combined, then cover loosely with a cloth. This traps wild yeast and bacteria from the air. Step 2. Wait 24 hours at room temperature. 68 to 72 degrees is ideal. You'll see no activity yet. That's normal. The microbes are waking up. Step 3. Discard half the mixture and feed it again with 50 grams flour and 50 grams water. Repeat this daily for 5 days. By day 4 or 5, you'll see bubbles and smell a tangy aroma. Your starter is alive. Step 4. Once active and bubbly, switch to once daily feeding. Keep it at room temperature if baking daily, or refrigerate between uses. Feed it once a week if stored cold. A healthy starter doubles in size within 4 to 8 hours after feeding. Pro tip: if your starter develops pink or orange streaks, it's contaminated. Throw it out and start over. But a dark liquid on top, hooch, is just alcohol. Stir it back in. What's your starter's name? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.